During my sabbatical, I volunteered a week at Oak City Cares, helping people with laundry. It is a hub for services for people in transition or experiencing homelessness. What that means is it's a place to charge their phone. They can check their email. There are people here who can help them fill out forms. They have medical services here, doctors, nurses. They have laundry facilities and showers and bathrooms. They offer all sorts of services, but the area that I was in was laundry. Scheduling people, who was next, who was in the queue, getting them the supplies they need, going to get them when things were done. Many of us have a ton of things that we take for granted every day. Most of the people I met that week that I volunteered, they had none of that. They didn't have a bed, they didn't have a place to charge their phone, certainly not to take a shower or do laundry. I think Oak City Cares makes the world a better place. It makes our city a better place and our county, and it gives the 200 people that I interacted with that week, it gives them a little bit of a reset and a recharge to go do the things they need to do.